invention on strippers. Cue the music.
Oh yeah.
See the camera. Camera horn. Ready?
This is a stripper move.
One thing not to do. Get a broken chair. One thing not to do. Not get a broken chair.
Or tell your mother that you broke the chair.
Or tell your mom you broke the chair.
Okay.
Use my chair, Brittany. People, I am into it. Run the legs open like it's another thing.
Dirty.
So get that hot, baby. Oh. Pretty good Ivy. Come on, they want some back action. Shake it, white girl. Shake it. Do the white girl shake. I have no ass. I usually have the boobs. Sorry. Damn, Brittany.
Do not put that on YouTube. Don't. My mom's like, what are you doing, you stupid? Like, you
Ho ho ho. Beep 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 beep.
I had a little rings.
Have a liver too. Trying to be like me. I know, it's so weird. Brittany, be like the girl at QVC trying to like sell something.
Cough drops make you high.
Yeah. Ricola. Stalkers.
This is my scene look. This is my scene look. Do I look good scene or just my regular?
Joking, I love you.
Scene look. Scene emo, wemo, whatever you guys call it. White people.
Dang,
Don't
black
I'm
people.
just joking. Yeah, I love you. How about you, white people?
She wants to be white like me.
She can't do it.
How sad.
Okay, this is it. Peace.
How to be a stripper.
Let's end out with my theme
Yeah.
song.
Oh. Oh. Oh, look at that stripper. Oh. It's like unmuted, I think.
It's Brittany, bitch.